In this video, I will show you how to make a Game Pass in Roblox in 2023, so let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here on roblox.com and I'm logged into my account. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner. You've got some options up here and what you want to do is click on to create. Now from here you should actually have an experience showing. So what you want to do is select the experience that you want to make a Game Pass for, and once you hover over you're going to get some three dots and a pencil icon. So what you want to do is actually click onto the three dots and then come down and click on to create badge. Next from here what you're going to want to do is come across to the left hand side to this menu and click on to associated items. And then from here, if you look at the top, you've got three options. You've got badges, passes and developer products. Of course, from here, the next thing to do is click on to passes. As you can see, I've currently got a pass that I've created, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to do this. So what you want to do is click the blue create a pass button. And by default, it's going to provide you with an image, but you can change this if you want by clicking the change button here. So as you can see, I've just gone ahead and used my logo as the image for this pass, and then you want to name the pass whatever you want. So I'm just going to call this one test tutorial, like so. And next what you want to do is go ahead and write a brief description of your pass. So again, for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and put test. And once that's done, what you'll need to do is scroll down and click the blue create pass button underneath. So you'll see this is now going to take you back to this screen, and you can see the pass that we've just created here. Now you can see it currently says off sale, so it's not actually live at the moment. To go ahead and change this, what you want to do is click back onto that pass, and then if you come to the menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto sales. Next, go ahead and toggle this switch to on to make the item for sale, and then go ahead and put how much you want to sell this Game Pass for. So I'm going to go ahead and put 10 Robux. Of course, you get 70% of the earnings. Roblox takes the other 30%, which means that every one of these passes sold, I would receive 7 Robux. Come down and click the blue save changes button underneath. You'll see that says pass updated successfully. Now if we come back to associated items, I'm just going to go back onto passes, and you can see this pass is now live with the price underneath. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.